good cheer. Let's hear one.
Yay.
Louder!
Yay. Too loud.
Gods, no. We're nowhere near ready for that.
No, that's crazy.
I mean, he's right about all of this.
It does seem like the whole world knows about us now.
Yep. And the more dragons we bring back here, the bigger of a target we become. Ugh. I just wish there was some...
Now I understand what your fellow princesses have done.
No, this can't be happening. Wait, everybody, it's okay. Have some champagne.
Wow.
I believe my last 3 weeks. You just wouldn't believe it. Thinking about you was the only thing that kept me sane.
Can't breathe.